Need to change your username, email or password? No worries. When you're logged into your account, give your username a click and choose My Account. From the login details section, click Edit on the detail you'd like to change. Make your adjustments and you're all sorted. If you're not logged in and your username or password has slipped your mind, that's okay. Pop over to the SurveyMonkey login page and click Forgot your username or password? If you know your username, type it in and we'll send you an email to the email address associated with that username. Click the link in the email, reset your password, and then sign in using your brand new password. You may have multiple accounts with different usernames tied to your email address. If you don't know the username you need, or you're logging in with the wrong account, enter in your email address instead. We'll send you a list of all the usernames associated with that email. Find the username of the account you want a new password for and give it a click. You'll be taken to a page with your username already there. Magic! Just click to reset your password and we'll send you the standard reset password email. When you've requested a password but the email still hasn't arrived, check that dreaded junk or spam folder as it may have been sent there. Still no luck? Your email client may be blocking our email from coming through. Add SurveyMonkey at go.surveymonkey.com to your contact list or a safe senders list. Then send another request. Once you're all signed in, you can get back to all your surveying needs.